Alright, this is a review of the price action for Thursday, August 17th. Had a very nice day today. Very bearish. You'll see right here on our screen these red zones. Those are our B4 squeeze indicator. And you'll see we had nice opportunities. All of these stacked imbalances that you see, especially the ones with the blue triangle, those are our confirmed entries. We have our strategy where we're just basically entering on the standard entries, like right here where the stacked imbalance is at. After we break out of our zone turns red, green, whichever case, will arm CoPilot long or short depending on what side the breakout is, and it'll enter on the standard, and we'll bring the stop losses down behind the stacked imbalances, initially guarding behind the squeeze zone. You can see that trade right there worked out very well. Coming on in here, this trade may or may not done well there. Coming down here, very nice trade setup. Entering here, bringing that all the way down, being able to guard behind the stacked imbalances, bringing you to here. Next breakout was here, bringing down the stop loss, a little money there. Again, entering again here. Again, the initial stop loss is here, behind the squeeze zone, pulling the stop loss down. Very nice trading opportunities throughout there. Using our system, a great day.